Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by bringing all raw inputs into one Google Sheet, import CSVs, link forms, or paste API outputs into a dedicated tab. Once done, normalize headers and spelling so formulas work reliably. Make columns explicit as date, number, or text. You should remove obvious duplicates and flag missing values with a helper column. Make a copy of the working sheet immediately to protect the raw data. This saves you time and prevents accidental loss as you proceed to analysis. Now you transform and summarize. Use filter or query to create clean subsets, sort and unique to order and deduplicate. Then add helper columns for computed fields, regex extract to parse text, date value to normalize dates, IFR to handle edge cases. Once consistent, build pivot tables for crosstabs and use built-in Explore for instant charts. To scale, record macros or use apps script to automate repeats. This reduces manual steps and makes your research reproducible and auditable. Finish by validating results. Sample rows, compare sums to source files, and use VLOOKUP or index match across tabs to confirm joins. Make a summary sheet with final charts and a notes section documenting assumptions and key formulas so others can follow your logic. If something breaks, step through formula audit, evaluate range references and named ranges, and check for hidden rows or leading spaces. If errors persist, revert to your backup copy and reapply steps methodically to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.